It's a 2018 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. Features include integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power tilt-down heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, Brembo 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, front-wheel drive with traction control, front, rear, left, and right side cameras, and automatic transmission. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.